Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to update applications on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on the watch. To do it, press the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, one thing I recommend to do is to connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network, and you can do it by opening the menu by pressing the crown button, then tapping on the settings icon. In settings, find the Wi-Fi option, tap on it, turn on the Wi-Fi, scroll down, find the list of networks, find the network you want to connect to, tap on it, enter the password, and once it says connected, we can continue. And once you're connected to the Wi-Fi network, we need to open the app gallery. So find the app gallery icon in the menu, tap on it, and in the app gallery, once you open it, you will have the home page, this one. Now scroll through it and find the option called update. And once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the list of applications we can update. So find the app you want to update, tap on the update button, it's gonna start updating. And once it's done, the app will disappear from this list. Another thing to mention is that sometimes you have one or more app, and you can tap on update all to basically update all of them at the same, maybe not at the same time, but they will be queued at the same time, so they will install one by one, and you can just let them install automatically. Okay, and once you're done, of course, installing the updates, you can press the crown button to go back to home screen. So let's wait until it's done. It's a couple more percent, maybe not couple, but it should be quick, basically. It's installing now. As you can see, all apps are up to date, so it disappeared, and we can go back to home screen. And that's how you update applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.